Hello, my name is Angel and I'm the copywriter for Nairametrics, and today I'll be talking about how interest rates affect the stock market. Low interest rates encourages spending because money becomes cheaper to borrow, but high interest rate discourages spending because money becomes expensive to borrow. Now let's take an example. If First Bank loans money with a high interest rate, you would also loan money with a high interest rate. But if First Bank loans money with a low interest rate, you would also loan money with a low interest rate. So it extends to the customers. Now when interest on borrowing becomes very high in an economy, people will begin to cut down their expenses on things that are not necessary. People who go for meetings in hotels will consider cheaper options. People who spend on luxury items will begin to or likely reduce their expenses. Listed companies who operate in these areas suffer the risk of revenue losses due to people's conservative spending, and hence this will affect their financial performance, hence discouraging investors from buying their stocks. Also, when interest rates are raised, investors do not have much money lying around to invest in stock markets, hence the drop in buying sentiment. This will also cause stock market to underperform. If you're an investment expert, I'd like to see your contribution in the comment section, and don't forget to follow us for more finance tips and investment updates.